Okay. Sujna, you were actually spot on. So that's where actually we wanted to cover about a Boolean. So now, instead of writing such lengthy Boolean, let's see how we can actually minimize it. So let's say software development engineer, software developer, software programmer, then software engineer, member of technical staff, computer scientist, coder, code ninja, top coding, coding geek. Even for code lover, coding geek, or top coder, we can just use code, programmer, developer, staff developer. Then SD2s, various ways of writing SD2s with alphanumeric way or alpha Roman numeric way. So let's say
Unable
now.
to see a screen.
Oh, is it? Sorry. Thanks for letting me know. Now we can see, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as we've seen that a straight search, when we go with a straightforward search, a simple search, we have to write such long Boolean. But now we'll try to see how we can actually minimize it and try to keep within that particular 32 keywords, or try to write as short possible as Boolean, but still get as best as results. So instead of writing software development engineer or software developer or software programmer or software engineer, member of technical staff, computer scientist and all, let's bucketize it. So for software, let's say software, or what else? Software. Okay. One set software space. So if I have to write in what we in LinkedIn or some of the portal, then let's say software and engineer or developer or programmer. Is there anyone waiting in the room? I don't think. Okay. So this would cover software engineer, software developer, software programmer. So let's say for software, we'll add some more Java. So Java engineer, Java developer, Java programmer, or Python engineer, Python developer, Python programmer. So just to keep it short as an example. So this would take either this or this. So let's bucketize it. We want something, we want a result which has any one word from this and any one word from this. So people might write to and fro. So it will cover both the use cases. So this is one way, one Boolean. Second Boolean will say we have all the jargons or member of technical staff or just the technical staff. So technical staff would cover member of technical staff, senior member of technical staff. What else? Development technical staff, all the various, wherever the technical staff with the additional word, it would cover all those. Right now, which is the third one? MTS, SMTS, all this part. So code, another one would be code. Code would cover code related all the things. Another one would be coding. So coding geek, coding ninja, code ninja, everything would be covered. We could have used star also, but if we see the recent observation, keyword space star is kind of a working on Google, but immediately code star to take as a coder, coding, code everything after the code. It's not taking with the Google. So that's reason we are not using that particular star after code, but otherwise that was most optimal way, so that we just write code and then asterisk, so that it could cover code, coding, coder, everything. But let's exclude it for now. So coder, this is the one set. Okay. Now second set, we would say MTS, SMTS and all. MTS or SMTS, SDE. This would cover all this SDE -2 everything, hyphen or space, which are the kind of a two, either the numeric or either the Roman, but wherein the one which we have with two, which is immediate SD2 like this, instead of just SDE, we can go for SD2 or SDE2. This we can keep it as it is. This SDE would cover all this 2, 3, 4, whatever, but wherein this SD2 would cover SDE immediately 2 without any space, SDE immediately 2, Roman 2 without any space. Whatever is there with a -2 or space 2, that would be covered by SDE. So let's say these are the 5 sets and we wanted to keep a now Boolean in Boolean for all this. So let's say I ordered this or something technical stuff or coder coding or coder or MTS. Let's say I'll just take this off. Okay, now here we need to properly bucketize where we wanted a combination of result either from this or a combination of result either from this. So this becomes one set. It will give a technical stuff or coder or coding or MTS or SMTS or SDE or SD2 or SD2 like this, or anyone, software engineer, software developer, software programmer, or Java engineer, Java developer, or Java programmer, Python engineer, Python developer, or Python programmer, or just engineer, developer, or programmer. Let's say here we'll give it. Who would have written only engineer or developer or programmer? All right. So how will we bucketize this now? This is where the Boolean in Boolean comes. So this remains as it is. Here we don't need any changes, but wherein if we need some changes from here, so we just keep, so with the bracket, when we are using two brackets, so this first bracket is basically for this software or Java or Python. This is the bracket for this engineer or developer or programmer. This is the bracket for this. And as a whole, when we want either this or this, here we go. Here we go. Okay. So here we used one bracket so that this become complete one search. Now, when we use this thing, now this is becoming definite. So either a combination of software and engineer or software and developer or software and programmer or Java and engineer or Java and developer or Java and programmer or Python and engineer or Python and developer or Python and programmer. This becomes a definite search. That's where we give a two brackets now. So this bracket is just for this first set and this bracket is for second set. But overall, to make it set A and set B, overall to make it set A and set B in one set, and to make this as a second set, we have given a double brackets here. Now we go, or now overall, again, in a high level, to make this again as a one set and again as a one set, we just go with another bracket here. This in Google, not really sure, because Google definitely gives a result. Sometimes this kind of a syntax would not be understood. But to understand whether the syntax is actually correct or not, we can use a LinkedIn Recruiter, because in LinkedIn Recruiter, we know even one particular operator misses, LinkedIn Recruiter messes, it won't give a results. Let's take the same search. So wherever we have a pipe, as LinkedIn Recruiter do not understand pipe, we use OR. Or maybe you can check in Naukri also, Naukri Monster, whichever the job portal we are using, Dice, anything, and see if this works. And I would like to share some of the searches also in past, which I used while using Praticate in Bracket. So this is the search: software or Java or Python, and engineer or developer or programmer, or overall to make a one bigger search. Instead of writing these many, we have just written this much: technical staff or code or coding or coder or MTS or SMTS or SD or SD2 or SD2 or engineer or developer or programmer, starting with 3 brackets and closing with 2 brackets. Let's take this. Okay, let's try first in a Google itself, then we'll go for a LinkedIn Recruiter. So for Google, space itself is and. We covered multiple times, so I'm removing that and. All right. Yeah. Now, if you see here, we do not see any word which is which basically Google is trying to exclude. Within that 32 keywords of limitation, we got the result. Even if the search syntax is, sometimes even the search syntax is wrong, Google will exclude that particular syntax, but try to include some other keywords and try to give us a result. Google will try its best to give us the best results, but wherein obviously to see this search, whether it is obvious or not, whether it will really work or not, we need some platform which do not entertain any errors, and that platform is LinkedIn Recruiter. Now let's go to that platform and see if this is being entertained, and if it is being entertained, then this is errorless. If not, then it's errorful. Let me change. All right, so it was in title, current. So yeah, there we have 20 million results. So let's say we use India. We'll come to some of the searches that I built in my past. Even I currently also I do that. And that's where the benefits of using Boolean in Boolean comes, where some of the examples we seen last week, I think last week, where without Boolean, let's say now this is one search, India, and all software engineer or Java or Python engineers we're trying to see. Let's say someone who has done a skill and assessment, just this 260 will take. We have like 270K plus results. And to see whether it is correct, if we remove even one bracket, it messes up. It says no search result because our search query is not formatted correctly. But if we give, as I mentioned, like a proper way of bucketizing it and using a Boolean in Boolean, that's where it works. Otherwise, let's again do it and try to see. Just add here or. UI. It's taking time. So yeah, it still used it. So let's say instead of or UI, we come here. Okay, now we want someone who would have written all this and UI or UX. Sorry, UI or UX or UI UX or front end. Okay, or what else? There is another word also, interactive.
User interface.
Interactive or user interface. Just user. All right, so a combination of this along with and UI or UX or UX, but I think we'll have to remove the other search, other filter of core Java, because this UI UX wouldn't be on that. Instead of that, we'll use JavaScript. All right, we have a couple of results. 890. Now let's edit and remove everything. Let's go here. Okay, so any combination of this first set, which is here in pipe language in Google Boolean, wherein this is a LinkedIn Boolean, we are using proper and or and this particular spaces. Yeah, so we get those UI or front end engineers or UI developers, front end engineers, front end developers, front end developer, front end developer, software engineer front end, as we have taken the combination of engineer or developer or programmer and the combination of front end or UI related words. That's where we get this front end developer, just the simple ones. Or that front end we could have used here as well, instead of Java, Python, whatever the words we have used, UI, UX and all, we could again bucketize in this. Let's take a second search. Same copy paste here. But so if you see till here, it's one search and a combination of this. But anyways, let's take the combination of this from here. remove this and keep it more simple. And instead of using software Java RR, we can use it here. So software, I would remove software also in case if we are going only with the front end. But anyways, this approach is more optimal comparable to this approach. Anyways, we'll take this UI. So this becomes one bracket, and to make it and this becomes one bracket. Then this closes with double brackets. Same syntax, same format, same something like this, just that we have removed software or Java or Python. Instead of that, we have used UI or UX or UI UX or front end or interactive or user interface. And then this thing starting with 3 brackets and closing with 2 brackets. Here it is. 2 brackets. And in the combination, if we need, we can use this one. So let's take this combination and see how many results. So in this combination, we have 26K based out of India with current title and JavaScript, Angular or Node.js, anyone it would take. Let's come back again. Current title. So 20 million. Yeah. 5.4 million. Now let's say JavaScript. Angular. 3. Combination of this. So 880K. So this gives 26K when we use that combination, because this was again taking a combination of software engineer or software developer or software programmer or technical staff or coding or coder or MTS. Who knows, means UIs can also be MTS. People might have written a member of technical staff for UI or UX or front end. And then we have used the additional combination of this one. People might have written just software engineer space UI, just software developer space EI, software programmer space UI, or front-end software programmer or front-end software engineer or front-end software developer. So that combination people might have written. So that's reason on a more generic term, we have used this software, maybe Java or Python we prefer to remove. We can keep only software also, but wherein, let's say third case, we can take the same thing. So instead of Java, we just keep software. So we would not even need that the second bracket of or like this we closed here, that we would not even need it. So software and engineer or developer, this becomes one search, or this and this. So to make it on a high level, this both the things, we need to close with this one bracket and this one bracket. And on a high level, till here, so either this or this. To close up with that, we are using one more closing bracket here and opening bracket here. So now we just take this part from here. Current location, India, then skill and assessment, JavaScript, AngularJS, Node.js. Okay, so I think this is something wrong. There's something wrong with the search. Right. Let's see what's that wrong with the search. Software. And so this is here. Software and engineer or developer. Let's see in case is this. Software and engineer or developer, this exists. And UI, this exists. Or this also exists. So 2.4 million. All right. Where is wrong? So this is one. So to make it overall high level, so this is to this, and this is for this. Don't think. Let me add one. I think this bucket we were missing. We wanted this bucket here something. So now it gives 77K. So yeah, I think here we need an additional, like here we did software or Java. So this is correct. And if we're removing, let's say if just this, without any word, just the bracket. If we understand that bracketing, then we are good to go. Yeah, same 77K. So here I think this one is missing. Now we just do this. Absolutely, same 77K. Even here we did not use any word, just closed in the bracket. Let's remove even this closing block and see in case if it works. No, it's not working. We need that one closing block because what we're trying to do here is when we use this particular word, software and engineer or developer or programmer. So this is again, we are bracketizing it in a one format. So we are making this or a combination of this. Yeah. So to make again on a high level, software engineer or software developer or software programmer. What happened?
Weather app.
What happened, Susna?
I was getting back into the 80s.
Huh?
No, I'm just kidding. That's not happening. I would die.
All right, I'll just take a pause. Any confusion on this? I know it's little difficult, but keep trying and you'll get there. So this bracketization, we just need to understand. And now another way I'll tell, let's say in this two results, same search we'll use it. And here we see 26K. Here we see 88K. Let's say LinkedIn recruiter, and we go with that straightforward search. Job titles, current, or specific to UI base. So first use case, this would pick up all the software engineers, but what we need is in a combination of software engineers with this title, along with those UI and UI or front end or something. This is something we really can't, in this example, we really can't, means when we are using this method, we definitely can't add additional keywords in the title. So software engineer, it would add all these related keywords, principal software engineer, senior software engineer, tech lead, and everything. But the problem is that additionally, whatever we want, something like additionally UI or anything that we would not get, but we'll still go with this use case. Then India, and then skills will take same three skills, whatever we took. JavaScript, Node.js, AngularJS, 430K. And also we have taken a lot of keywords, and 430K, what we are getting. So there are a couple of people who has mentioned full stack. There are a couple of people who would have mentioned those JavaScript or Node.js, anything, but overall, this JavaScript, Angular, and the Node.js is basically in their skill and assessment. What we wanted a combination with a combination of such kind of a titles, software or engineer or developer or programmer. Software engineers who would have mentioned this UI, UX, front-end, interactive user interface in their actual titles. So that combination, if we need, we definitely have to write a Boolean. But when we select a titles from the dropdown, we don't really have an option. Let's see only a front-end related titles. Do we get those many? Okay, front-end developer. Front-end, let's say UI, user interface designer, UI, JavaScript, UI, Okay, we have taken even architect. We did not even restrict it to that. We've taken even architect. What else? User. Even designers also we are taking, not just the developer. Managers, let's go with manager as well. Though in that search in Boolean, we did not use manager. Front-end web developer. Okay, let's say front-end developer. What all titles it cover? Front-end developer, senior front-end developer. User interface designer, 5 titles. Web. What else? User interface engineer. What else? UI / UX. Let's take UI and just keep UI also. Just keep front end also. So what we got is 83K, wherein in this search, we got 26K, which is very specific, very focused just for the front end. But when we go with more of open-ended, we completely got 880K, something like this. So now you can decide which are the ones, why this Boolean and Boolean is required. 880K, we have used this search with India and JavaScript, Angular, Node.js, no experience, no nothing. And we used all the suggested title for UI by LinkedIn. Same with, okay, it's again current or past. If we make it current, that goes again down. That's only for 44K. So here it's is current. Here also it's current. India and these 3 skills. India, current title and these 3 skills. All the suggested titles by LinkedIn for front-end engineers or UI engineers or user interactive, user experience consultant, user experience designer, user interface consultant, user interface architect. Architect, we have not even used it, but I'm just taking it. Manager also, we have not even used it. Consultant also, we did not use it. Design, we did not use it. Designer, we did not use it. But still, we have gone with that extra thing, whatever the LinkedIn is suggesting. And then India and these 3 skills. And if you see, it's still 44K. But wherein when you go for Boolean in Boolean, it gives you 880K. And this is more focused with all those SDE related in title, software development engineers in title, in a combination of front-end developer. Does that make sense? So this is just one example. Similarly, there are a number of examples, in fact. So good to go. Okay, now if you see, I was earlier working on one of the requirement